Winter Aconite is a delightful early spring bloomer with a splash of bright yellow color when many other plants are dormant. The best time to plant those tubers is in late summer, early autumn. This gives them time to establish their roots before winter. And they prefer partial shade, especially under deciduous trees, where they can receive sunlight in the early spring before the trees leaf out fully. Well-drained soil is the best. And just avoid areas that are waterlogged. And they thrive in rich organic matter, like a bunch of leaves under a tree that have built up over the years. And plant the tubers about 2 to 3 inches deep. And if you want to, you can soak them for a little while, a few hours before planting them. And water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil in, get the air spaces out, and keep the soil moist during the growing season, especially in spring. And once the foliage begins to die back in late spring, you can reduce the watering. Winter Aconite goes dormant in late spring or early summer, and allow the foliage to die back naturally, and avoid disturbing the tubers during their dormancy. Winter Aconite can naturalize and spread over time, creating beautiful carpets of yellow flowers. But generally, winter Aconite does not require heavy feeding. Just amend the soil with compost or lots of organic matter is usually sufficient. And good drainage is essential to prevent the tubers from rotting. And they can tolerate some sun, but they prefer shade. So a lot of organic matter and moist soil and partial shade, partial sun, they'll do great. So thanks a lot for watching, and please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.